Howdy, y'all. This is Grant Bynum from Uptown 101 Houston, and we're going to do a 60-second walkthrough. This is a one-bedroom model at the Ivy at Park Place, and wow, this is nice. It's going to be tough to fit this into 60 seconds, but here we go. So we're going to walk in this beautiful kitchen. Just look at this. It's just got a lot of cabinets and cabinet space. It's so pretty. So on this side is the kitchen style cabinets and things like that. Here's your gas stove. You've got a beautiful sink and beautiful appliances that are here. But then in the middle, you've got this wonderful island that's got so much space. You don't need a table. You just need some chairs. Just bring your chairs. And then on the right, you've got a great work from home area, and that's all here. So it's work from home. You can put your groceries there in the pantry, and then use this for your home office. So your home office is already built in. You've got a lovely space over here to put a good generous amount of furniture, TV, sofa, and then you've got a wonderful, wonderful balcony over here too that overlooks this really exclusive area and courtyard. So I want you to reach out to us at uptown101houston.com/search and fill out a free search request. We'll get you information on this, and we'll start chatting with you, and we'll figure out who you are and what your needs are, and if this is a good fit for you, or if you need to explore some other additional options. And we'll make it easy for you. We'll set up tours, and it's always 100% free. So look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you soon.